Robert Gonzalez Magnaye is killing me on the point of being he is a rapist. Why? I could feel his eroticness towards me. I not know why. And then he is angry because of Trillion. I not know why. That is the rootness of it. That is during year 2021. He is angered towards me because of Trillion. And now, he is such a rapist. And then he is uses Robel Avelin, Menjola Magnaye to myself so that myself be on a situation of heart pain, illness, chest pain, vomiting blood. And then when it comes onto Lazada, they is on clingy. Now they talking of such as feeling high level towards on my life. That is what will I say at the moment. I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. The right eye is getting my feeling even though myself is mine and then my talking is what I say. I am Connie Antalanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., Mrs. of Alex Ang Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Mr. Manuel Quezon the First.